How to reset WhatsApp end-to-end encrypted password. This tutorial shows you how to restore and set up a new encryption password for WhatsApp backups on Android. First, launch the WhatsApp application on your Android device. Next, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. Following that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, tap on Chats to access chat settings. Moving forward, tap on Chat Backup to manage backup options. Afterwards, scroll down and tap on End-to-End Encrypted Backup. In addition to that, if you forgot your password, tap on Turn Off. Once prompted, confirm that you want to disable encrypted backup. Subsequently, you'll lose access to previous encrypted backups. Moreover, tap on Turn Off again to confirm the action. Afterwards, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Backup again. Then, select Create Password to set up a new encryption password. Within this section, enter a strong new password for your backups. Alternatively, you can use the 64-digit encryption key option instead. Once entered, tap on Next to confirm your password. Then, re-enter the password to verify it. Afterwards, tap on Done to enable encrypted backup with your new password. Then, WhatsApp will create a new encrypted backup with your new password. Moreover, make sure to remember or save this password securely. Afterwards, your WhatsApp chats will now be backed up with end-to-end encryption. Then, you've successfully reset your WhatsApp encrypted backup password. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you reset WhatsApp end-to-end encrypted password, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.